The City of Fort Worth's Neighborhood Services, along with the Fort Worth Housing Solutions, led the efforts to host interactive workshop that invited community leaders from academia, government and business to explore establishing an African American museum or cultural center in the city of Fort Worth. The proposed center's aim will be to provide an opportunity to explore African American culture and history and its impact on the city of Fort Worth and North Texas. Visitors to the proposed center will be able to discover how African American society, leadership and culture shaped and influenced the development of the region. Over the course of 4 days, the panelists interviewed area leaders representing area museums, foundations, civic groups, businesses and faith-based community, to gather feedback on potential project. Fort Worth residents were also invited to share questions and feedback on this project at area venues including I Am Terrell Academy, the city's first black school during the era of racial segregation, and the newly established Como Community Center serving residents in Southwest Fort Worth. Results from the workshops will be used to conduct a more in-depth feasibility study of the center, its purpose and a possible site location for an African American museum or cultural center in Fort Worth.